Oh shit, leftover rice. Hey team, Carl here with Redbeard Recipes. Today I'm going to be making some fried rice. I'm going to try and stick to a legit style fried rice. I've got some cola, some pebble stuff. Oh shit, leftover rice. For Uncle Roger. Might have to change the bandana up for today. Okay, now I think we're ready. Let's get you started. Very good! First off, crush a bunch of garlic cloves, peel them, and dice them finely. Your hands will be smelling delicious. Next, peel a shallot and dice it up finely as well. Pour your peanut oil into your wok and let it heat up, using that son of a bitch. While the oil's heating up, whisk 2 eggs, with chopsticks obviously. Throw in the garlic and shallots and allow them to brown off nicely. Then pour your eggs in and mix them up. Chuck in last night's leftover rice. I'm using jasmine rice. Add in your white pepper, soy sauce, Sambal Oelek. This here has shrimp paste in it, which also contains MSG. Optionally, I've chose to add in fish sauce.
MSG is the king of flavor.
And also I'm throwing in some leftover roast chicken. A little drizzle of sesame oil.
Dang.
And to serve, some fresh spring onion and fresh chili sliced up.
Boom, very good. I like it.
Thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.
Dope as fuck.